Imagine this when the world was still new, when the only a few humans walked the earth, when the first murder had already taken place, and when the heart of Hazrat Adam alayhis salam was heavy with grief. At that moment, Allah chose a person who was not only the heir of knowledge but also the bearer of prophethood. The question is, who was the first prophet after Adam alayhis salam? The prophet who carried humanity forward, who protected divine knowledge from being lost, and who drew the very first clear line between truth and falsehood. His name was Hazrat Sis salam, a prophet of Allah, the son of Hazrat Adam salam, and the first inheritor of the chain of prophethood in human history. Today's document is not just a story, it is the beginning of human knowledge, guidance, and responsibility. The name of Hazrat Sis Islam is not mentioned directly in the Quran, but his life reached us through hadith, Islamic history, and classical scholar. This is the story of a time when there were no cities, no kingdom, only human beings and the religions of Allah. A murder had already occurred. Qabil had killed his own brother Habil. For the first time, the earth tasted human blood, and for the first time, the heaven witnessed human operation. Hazrat Adam al-Islam, the prophet of Allah, the father of humanity, his heart was shattered. Narration tells us that Hazrat Adam al-Islam spent a long time in deep sorrow. His tears did not stop. Humanity was increased, but the corruption was increased alongside it. And at that moment, a question stood before the world. Who after Adam al-Islam? Who would protect divine knowledge? Who would carry Allah's message forward? Allah comforted Adam al-Islam. A son was to be born. Who would replace grief with hope? Who would inherit knowledge? Who would carry the burden of prophethood? His name was given us Sis. Sis means a gift guaranteed by Allah. According to narration, Hazrat Sis al-Islam was born after Habil. He was not just a son, he was a responsibility. From childhood, Hazrat Adam al-Islam began teaching him knowledge, the knowledge of the heaven, the knowledge of the earth, the way of worship, the eternal enmity between human and devil. Hazrat Adam al-Islam possessed knowledge guaranteed directly by Allah. According to narration, he was given written revelation from Allah. This knowledge was not for everyone. Hazrat Adam al-Islam entrusted it to Hazrat Sis al-Islam. He taught him the method of worship, the principle of halal and haram, human ethics, the protection of future generation. Hazrat Sis al-Islam was quiet but profound. He spoke little, he reflected deeply. The center of his life was only one thing, Allah. The time of Hazrat Adam al-Islam was nearing its end. One prophet was passing his responsibility to another. According to narration, Hazrat Adam al-Islam appointed Hazrat Sis al-Islam as his successor and prophet. This was no ordinary duty. Corruption exists on earth. People like Qabil were still alive. Devil and was actively misleading humanity. And Hazrat Sis al-Islam had to become the guides of mankind. Hazrat Adam al-Islam had passed away. Now the earth had a new prophet, Hazrat Sis al-Islam. Narration state that Allah revealed 50 souls to him. This was the revelation, the first written divine knowledge in human history. Hazrat Sis al-Islam stopped people from shirk, established a system of worship, guided generation to remain distinct, treated knowledge as a trust, not power. He did not respond to oppression with oppression, he chose patience, and he made righteousness his weapon. That is why during his time, truth and falsehood remain clearly separated. The life of Hazrat Sis al-Islam teaches knowledge is not just the information, knowledge is responsibility. Every generation must leave behind a clear distinction between truth and falsehood for the next. Today we live in city, in an age of technology, but the corruption remains the same. The message of Hazrat Sis al-Islam is still alive. Stay connected to Allah, treat knowledge as a trust, never abandon patience in time of oppression. And remember, Allah always chooses those who stand with truth even in silence.